Hello, and welcome to the most unknown, terrifying, and mesmerizing point on our planet. The secrets of the ocean are as little understood as our knowledge of space, and at the deepest point of these secrets lies the Mariana Trench. Hidden at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, this colossal fissure could swallow Mount Everest whole. It is not just a geological formation, but an abyss of the unknown that challenges the limits of our imagination. Today, we'll embark on a journey into this dark and cold world. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, southeast of Japan, near the islands of Guam and the Marianas. It stretches for about 2,550 kilometers and is only 69 kilometers wide. But what's truly impressive is its depth. The deepest known point, the Challenger Deep, is approximately 10,994 meters deep. What does that mean? If you were to drop Mount Everest into this trench, its summit would still be submerged almost 2 kilometers below the surface. It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? So, how did this massive trench form? The Mariana Trench was created by the collision of two tectonic plates. The Pacific Plate is subducting, or sliding, under the Mariana Plate. This geological event, known as a subduction zone, created the deepest fissure on Earth. The conditions at the bottom of the Mariana Trench are hellish, to say the least. The water temperature is near freezing, only about 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. But the real challenge is the pressure. We're talking about a pressure more than 1,000 times that of the surface atmosphere. This means that about 8 tons of force is exerted on every square centimeter. To put that into perspective, this pressure is equivalent to a herd of elephants standing on a car. A human being would be instantly crushed and cease to exist in such an environment. So, is life possible under these conditions? The answer is yes. This is what surprised scientists the most. The Mariana Trench has its own unique ecosystem. Creatures with special adaptations can withstand this pressure. For example, the Mariana snailfish has a special gelatinous structure in its body that helps it cope with the immense pressure. In addition, deep-sea anglerfish that can produce light, colossal amphipods, and other species completely unknown to science live here. For them, this dark and cold world is the only home they've ever known. The depths of the Mariana Trench were first explored in 1960 by Jacques Picard and Don Walsh in the bathyscaphe Trieste. They were only able to stay at the bottom for 20 minutes, shaken by the power of the pressure 11 kilometers below the surface. After a long gap, in 2012, the famous director James Cameron repeated this challenging feat with his solo dive in the Deep Sea Challenger. He filmed the seascape at the bottom of the ocean and discovered new species. However, one of the most astonishing discoveries was made during the 2019 dive by American explorer Victor Vescovo. Vescovo found a plastic bag and a candy wrapper at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. This discovery painfully shows how deep the damage caused by humanity has reached. The Mariana Trench still holds many secrets. Scientists believe there could be an entirely new ecosystem of life forms around the hydrothermal vents in these depths, one that isn't dependent on sunlight. Such discoveries could also shed light on our search for life in space. If life can exist on Earth without the sun, it means life could also exist under similar conditions on other planets. In the near future, we hope to learn more about the trench through uncrewed underwater vehicles and robotic exploration missions. Each new piece of data will help us illuminate the complex and fascinating web of life in the ocean's depths. The Mariana Trench reminds us how vast and unexplored our planet is. It is not just a natural formation, but a symbol of our spirit of science and discovery. With each passing day, we learn something new about this dark world, pushing the boundaries of science, and perhaps most importantly, realizing how much further we have to go to truly understand our planet. See you on the next mysterious journey. So, what do you think? What other secrets could the Mariana Trench be hiding? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.